How to make a lawn striper. If you have ever been to a baseball field or golf course, you have probably noticed that the grass had a nice striped pattern that alternated back and forth. You may have wondered how to achieve that well-manicured look on your own lawn. While they use professional equipment to get that look, you can get a very similar look on your own lawn by building your own lawn striper. When you make a lawn striper, you will be able to make your grass have that professional striped look that you've always desired. Things you will need: tape measure, 4-inch PVC, 2 PVC end caps, 4-inch, PVC primer, PVC glue, play sand, 2 eye hooks, 1/4 inch by 3 inch, 2 washers, 1/4 inch, 2 nuts, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch drill bit, drill, adjustable wrench, PVC handsaw, 2 4-foot lengths of 3/8 inch rope. Measure the width of the back of your lawnmower from the outside of one wheel to the outside of the other wheel. Take your PVC pipe and mark out this distance on the pipe. Cut the PVC pipe at that mark and ensure you make a nice straight cut. Drill 3/8 inch holes in the center of each of your PVC end caps. Take one of your eye bolts and slide a 1/4 inch washer on. Then push the threaded part of the eye bolt through the hole on the PVC end cap. You'll want to push it in from the outside of the end cap. Slide another 1/4 inch washer on the eye bolt from the inside of the end cap and then tighten the eye bolt to the end cap with a 1/4 inch nut. Repeat this process for the other end cap. Prime both ends of the PVC pipe and both ends of the end caps with PVC primer. Glue one end cap onto the PVC pipe. Fill the PVC pipe about 3/4 full with play sand. Glue the other PVC end cap onto the pipe. You should now have a sealed PVC pipe with sand inside. Tie a loop in one end of each of the lengths of rope. Tie the other end of the rope to each of the eye bolts. Hook the looped end of the rope to the hitch on your lawn mower. The PVC tube is now effectively your striper and will be pulled behind your lawn mower as you drive forward. This will create a nice striped pattern in your lawn.